So you want to know how it is to be living with this DeepSpace Seeker 5, Seeker 3, 3-inch drone, then this video is for you. DeepSpace Seeker 3, 3-inch freestyle drone with 4S batteries, DJI O4 Air Unit Pro, and this is my, how to say, my thoughts, my experience living with this for, or not living, I have it, but after 50 packs of flying this freestyle drone, okay, I am not pro or whatsoever, it's just my honest opinion about this drone, how it is to be flying it on day-to-day basis and learning to fly FPV, learning freestyle and everything. So this is my opinion about this one. So let's get started. I pressed something again on the controller. All the time when I'm moving the controller, I'm pressing something on it. Usually before this I was flying 4:3, but then I changed to 16:9 aspect ratio, and when I was trying to do power loops and stuff like that, I was feeling that I don't see so much the other part of the roll. So today I will be switching back to 4:3 aspect ratio to see how it goes. So now it's summer and it's August. It's so hot, so hot. Today was 42, 43 degrees. So that is not the degrees to live in. Anyway, now is sort of nice weather. Something is wrong. I don't know what exactly. I think is the here we go. Rate. A little bit more sensitive rate. Okay, that's good. So anyway, DeepSpace Seeker 3, amazing small 3-inch drone, and when you are flying 3-inch, I don't know, this is sort of first 3-inch I have, but it's actually feels like you're flying actually the 5-inch. It's not feeling like 3-inch. So okay, of course 3-inch is not the drone for the power. I mean, logically the power is not there comparing to 5-inch. I mean, because 5-inch is 5-inch is 5-inch. I mean, that is way more power than 3-inch. But this drone, as I was mentioning before, have amazing tuning, amazing control, and as a DeepSpace in general, they again made amazing drone. So I still love it because, of course, my 5-inch is still not fixed, but I love this one. So just, how to say, this is first, how to say, warm up run. So always warm up before you actually do something, because that is very important to warm up. Anyway, this all is about this small 3-inch drone deep by DeepSpace Seeker 3, and I'm telling you, I love it. The controls, the responsiveness, or how you can say, is amazing. I love it. I love this drone because it's just feels like 5-inch. And I don't know, but I think that most of the people is slowly starting as well to switching to 3-inch drones, because 3-inch drones have, I think, why they are switching to 3-inch drones is because you have more actually time to respond to many things, because 5-inch is way bigger and way faster than 3 inches, but it's like if you fuck up with 3-inch, I mean, you still have enough time to fix it. I mean, as a thing, so that's why, let's say, I like 3-inch, because Opa, that was power loop. So last time when I was doing here power loop, I actually hang it on the tree, but at least hopefully this time I will not have that. I'm really apologizing for this mess what is here. I hate when people is doing this. It's just nice field and they are just dumping their garbage everywhere. I mean, that is totally not nice. But okay, of course, again, it's 7 o'clock nearly 7 o'clock at night, so the flies is everywhere. I mean, that is fact. But last time I was sort of trying something with another drone, and by mistake, I just switched off. I disarmed the drone, and the drone was like literally like a half a kilometer, if not even more away. I was like, fuck, because I was flying and there was a fly on my finger, and I was like this. Fuck. Anyway, it fell somewhere down. Just give me a minute, I will get the drone. So let's put the controller here and let's go. I will put the goggles as well. I don't have anyone around, so let's go to see. I think I have a drone somewhere. It fell down somewhere here. I don't have a beeper on it. That is the most annoying thing. So I hope that I will find it. I was going somewhere here, and here we go. So here is our small DeepSpace Seeker 3. Okay, everything seems okay. All is fine. So first thing, when you get the drone, I can't, I'm just holding with one hand. So when you retrieve the drone, just unplug it to not heat it up a lot. So everything seems okay. Props is okay as well. Okay, so DeepSpace Seeker 3. Love it. Love the drone. Love the way it flies. Love control, everything. And this is me after 50 plus packs flying with DeepSpace Seeker 3. I would say exactly. As I think this is only think what I'm saying. I love it. I love it. I love it. But that is the truth. I mean, that is the truth. That this small thing is flying amazing, amazing for 3-inch sort of dead cat version with, of course, 04 Pro unit. But now, after some time flying, I'm starting to consider to actually change it to maybe another type of camera. So if you have some suggestion for good setup for, let's say, closest thing for DJI, I mean the video quality, I understand that if I'm switching to Cadex or any other company, I think the Cadex or what else is there, I will need the new goggles and new setup because the DJI is working with DJI. But anyway, if you have suggestion for some good setup to switch, because exactly this thing is good quality, but it's not so, how to say, durable on crashes. I already, fucked it up, like literally 2 04 Pro units just because of the crash when it's going in I don't know what kind of mode and it's just not working. So if you have some suggestion, leave it down in comments. What should I get as a next sort of setup with, of course, Express LRS, and I still have the Radiomaster controller. So basically I need the video unit and I need the goggles. But I wanted something which I can actually use it after, so I don't need to, let's say, mount the GoPro or action camera or whatsoever. So let's get back to this small thing here. As I was mentioning, amazing, flies amazing, but deep space. One thing, if you are listening, if you are knowing, then anyway, I will just tell it like that, is your GPS. I love it that they put it GPS on every drone in front, less interference from the antennas and everything, blah, blah, amazing. But, I'm not sure, I don't think so that you will be actually able to see, but there is, maybe you can see there is a connector. Connector is there, which is connected to GPS. And after few crashes, it's just gone. It's just disconnected. And GPS is simply just not working. I had exactly the same issue with my Seeker 5, but what I done, I just cut the cable, soldered it straight on the GPS and everything is fine. So this is what I will be doing with this one as well. But other than that, build quality, crushed it a couple of times. Love it, antenna is still in the place. Props, of course, changed a couple of them. Other than that, other than the GPS, which is just disconnecting, and it's not so that it's disconnected, it's just torn apart or whatsoever from the actual GPS, so you just need to solder that one. So other than that, no complaints at all, love it. Slowly learning the tricks like power loops, and then you can see what kind of tricks I'm learning, but I'm telling you, this as a 3-inch, amazing. So I'm giving it easy 8 out of 10, easy. As a, if not the GPS, but even as it's small, I don't think so that you will be flying it, I don't know, at so far that you need GPS rescue or whatsoever, but still it's a good thing to have it on the drone. I mean, and I've been flying all the time with 850 batteries. Flight time is usually around 5 minutes. Okay, not hardcore, freestyle, but like with some tricks and this and that, 850 is nice. I ordered as well 650s, so they are incoming. I didn't test them yet with this one. So if you want to see, just leave down in the comments just comment 650, and then I will know that you would like to see the video and the test how this, and with the flight time and everything, is with 650. So amazing, amazing, no complaints at all, at all. So you know what you need to do: like, subscribe, whatsoever. If you have some more questions about Seeker 3, Seeker 5, or Stellar 25, which all is deep space, I have them, so feel free to ask and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching. Till the next one. Bye.